How to upload story on Instagram from laptop. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can upload story on Instagram through the laptop. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up instagram.com and make sure to log into your account. So once you're logged in, if you click on this create option from your left hand side, here you can only create post from laptop. But in order to create the story, here is the trick. So navigate to the three dot icon at the top right. From this menu box, you have to go to more tools and now go to developer options at the very end. Then click on this icon right here from this menu bar at the top. Now you have to refresh your page once. Now once you have refreshed your page, if you see here there is a plus icon, click on it. Now you can post story from here. So this is the trick that will help you post story through laptop. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.